Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, okay, if you're busy doing something, then you can watch the video later because this video is going to be a little bit complicated. Usually our videos, I won't say very simple, but I try to keep it simple. Okay, we mostly talk about following the market sentiment, following the trend, etc. But today's video, okay, we need to dig a little deeper. We need to understand the technical aspects, so it may be a little bit complicated. Okay, and my dear friends, if my videos are useful to you, then please press the like button. Okay, the views are dropping on the channel. Okay, so at least YouTube will understand that okay, this channel is not bad. Okay, and if possible, okay, please write down something on the comment section. I never thought that I would say these things. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the economy calendar first. Okay. So we have the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman, and tomorrow is a big day because of the CPI. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold range bound with spotlight on US inflation reading. Gold extend gains, eyes on US CPI data. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. Market is mostly waiting for tomorrow's CPI. Though we have the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, but I am not expecting a trend reversal or huge change on the chart right now. And the reason is the market is mostly waiting for the tomorrow's CPI. And CPI is a big event. CPI has the potential to bring a trend reversal also. Okay, so we can expect the market to remain, I won't say sideways or silent. Okay, those days are gone. Nowadays crazy is the new normal. So till tomorrow CPI, we can expect a choppy market. We can expect some unexpected spikes in the market. So you need to be careful with your buy at support, sell at resistance. Why buy at support, sell at resistance? Because right now we can clearly see on the chart that we do not have a direction. And if we look at the market sentiment also, we can see the market sentiment is also neutral right now. Market is also waiting for the news because news will provide direction. So buy at support, sell resistance, but still we need to be careful. Okay, so let's try to understand the levels one by one. So first of all, let's talk about the strong support of 2350 or around 2350. Okay, we have been discussing about the support levels for last few days. The support level of 2352 to 2350. The level has been working very nicely for the last few days, but the problem is that okay, market has already tested the level many times, and market doesn't like common things because market is what? A zero-sum game. If someone is winning, then someone must lose. Okay, and whenever a level becomes too common, liquidity builds up, and it becomes a level okay, where the smart money, or you can say the big guys, institutions go for stop loss hunting. Okay, so here there is a high chance that next time the level may not work. So where we have the next support then? My dear friend, we have the next best support on the chart of gold around 2322 to 2320. The yellow box that I have made here, you can see this is the next best support on the chart of gold. Right now there is not much volume in the market. We can clearly see on these candles, you can see the small candles means not much volume. By the European session or by US session, if you see the market is going down with heavy selling pressure, then this time market may break the support and market may go down. Okay, and if the selling pressure is very high, okay, if this, listen to me carefully right now. Okay, if the selling pressure is very high, if you want, then you can also take a sell position below 2350. Okay, and if you see the market is going down with heavy selling pressure, then you can continue with the sell position because sellers will be dominating, and you can exit by 2340 or 2320 because 232 around 2325 you can exit. And if market takes support around this area 2320, we can look for a buy position. Okay, if again I'm repeating, if the selling pressure is very high, 2320 will be the next support. But if you see that market has crossed 2350, market has crossed 2350, but selling pressure is not very high. Okay, in that case you can avoid sell and you can wait for the next support, which is around 2340. We are considering 2340 because of, wait, where is the chart? Yeah, FIBO 50% retracement level, and the previous resistance will be working as support around the area. So we are expecting that if the selling pressure is not very high, then we should at least get a good bounce around the area. At least a bounce of 40 pips. If the bounce is good enough, then you can also expect a bounce of 70 to 80 pips as well. Okay, so these are the two support levels on the chart of gold right now. One in case of low selling pressure, one in case of high selling pressure. And you can see that we also have dotted lines on the chart. So 2400, okay, 2400 is still the best resistance, okay, because of being a round number, psychological level. But if market goes up this time to at 2400, do not go for a sell position immediately, because here also there is a high chance of some sort of, if you know about SMC, then you must have heard about liquidity grab. Okay, so again, stop loss hunting. Okay, liquidity grab. So what you can do is when market will be coming down again, okay, you can take when market will be coming down after making a high of, let's say, 2410, 2415, you can take a sell at below 2400. Predicting the high of 2410, 2415, or from where the market will reverse is not possible. But still, when market will be coming down after hunting down all the stop losses, you can look for a sell below 2400. Okay, and in case you see that after hitting 2400, the market is ready to go up again, then it will be a clear-cut confirmation that, okay, that was not a stop loss hunting, rather market has taken support and market is ready to go up again. Time will tell. Okay, 2400 is far away. Let's not think about it. After CPI, market may go down there. And today, day traders, you can look for a sell around 2376. Okay, 2376 and 2384. These are the two levels where you can look for a quick selling opportunity of 25-30 pips. Okay, I am still not sure how the market will react around 2393. Okay, 2393, if market reverses, we can look for a sell. But let's right now focus on immediate levels, which is around 2376 and 2384. These are all FIBO levels, nothing much to discuss here, because our FIBO levels have been doing a good job. So we are expecting our FIBO levels to work again. But these are minor levels. Do not expect them to work after the speech if the market is very volatile, because we have many levels on all the charts, but some levels are weak, some levels are strong. They do not work at all the market conditions. Some levels work at high volatile markets, some levels only work during the low volatile market. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, the direction of the market is not clear and it will not be clear till tomorrow. So we can expect a choppy market, sideways market till tomorrow. Okay, as market has tested the support of 2350 many times, there is a high chance that market will break the level and market may go for SL hunting. Okay, if market breaks the level with high selling pressure, okay, we can go for a sell and we can look for the next support to be on 2320. If market breaks the level with low pressure, 2340 or around 2340, we can look for a support or a quick bounce. If market goes and breaks 2400, there's a high chance that market again may go for stop loss hunting there as well. And if market comes down, okay, we can look for a sell below 2400, pure liquidity grab. But if market takes support, because the same support may also act as support, isn't it? Same level, sorry, same resistance may also act as support. So if we see that instead of going down, okay, market is trying to take support around 2401, 2402, we can go for a buy there as well. But that level is far away. So today as a day trader, we can look for a quick selling of 25-30 pips around 2384, 2376 area. And if you see that market is very unpredictable, or market is working crazy, acting crazy after the speech, okay, you can just avoid the market. Okay. And my dear friends, so one more thing that I would like to let you know is that, okay, my page is live again. Okay, the page was I was working on the page for last few days, so it was not working. So if you are looking for a good forex broker, okay, if you're tired with your current broker, then yes, you can check out the link. The link will be in the description. Okay, you can see that, okay, I have segregated everything for India, for Australia, New Zealand, Middle East. Okay, I know that, okay, many of you are frustrated with your current broker, because this is one of the most common question that I always get, okay, in YouTube comments, in emails, in telegrams, not telegrams, okay, in Instagram, okay. So if you're looking for a good broker, then yes, you can check out. You will find reliable options, and if you open your account through my link, okay, your account will be under me. So in case you face any problem, I'll be always there to help you out. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.